As you can tell, I'm in the middle of a project, and I'm going to be building my own custom PC with the help of a few friends, that is. So, this is the bad boy. This is the case. It's going to be sideways in there. I have Discord up for them to help me with. And these are the parts. This is my second monitor because I'll need a second monitor. I'll put everything that I have on here in the description. This is the parts for the case. This is the power supply. That is the cooler that I'm going to be using. This is the graphics card that I am going to be using. Underneath it is the motherboard that I'm going to be using. If y'all want to read any of this, you can pause the video and read it. This is the Ryzen 7 SSD card. It came with its own cooler, but I'm going to be using that one instead. This is the goop, I like to call it, but it is thermal glaze, or however you pronounce that. I have my Intel, how many gigabytes is this? This is the 512 gigabyte one. Then I have my Windows 11. Can't do anything without Windows. This is the RAM that I'm going to be using. This is the 2 terabyte SSD that I am going to be using. And this is the 4 terabyte SSD that I'm going to be using. And this is a box full of speakers, mouse, and keyboard and stuff that I bought. It's a combination. It was Amazon choice, so I don't know if it's going to be any good, but we will find out. That is the brand. And this is the webcam that I'm going to be adding to the new computer. So with that being said, let me set y'all up somewhere to see me put this thing together. This is gonna be fun.
Losing time, I'm fading fast. I just wanna make it last. Try to let go of the past. I close my eyes, embrace the blast. Sleepless nights and headache stack. Restlessness to hell and back. What's my purpose? What do I grab? A slippery surface, a heart attack. And sometimes you just gotta believe there's something that'll give you relief. There's something that'll have what you need. What you need. We're broken, it's tragic. We're not all elastic, but maybe there's magic. Believe you could have it. And I know of sadness, the anxious and panic, the infinite vastness of all that is blackness. Never break, always fight, never quit, do it right, play the game, win it life, have no shame, there's no time, feel the pain, live the grind, I could change, in my mind, pick a lane, commit and climb, the only way to win it life, I never miss, that's fact, taking big swings, bitch, hand me the bat, put me in the ring, you'll go out in a bag, cause I sing what I mean and I bring it to the mad light, ain't got time to kill, I got time to feel, I took the red pill, I know life's short so I wanna live real, but how's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel? They wanna say my name, but they holding back. They wanna say they hate, but they know it's cap. I ain't play no games, I just do that's fact. And I don't feel no shame, it's a mood you lack. I go crazy, nah bitch I ain't lazy. Track after track, I work on this shit daily. Pass me the jack, right as fuel, got me hazy. About to unpack all these things I've been chasing. I've got visions in my head, like memories after death. To be a legend instead of something you can forget. I'm living up every breath, I'd rather lead than be led. I'll fill the seeds as I spread with every word that I've said. How's it supposed to feel? How's it supposed to feel?
So, my camera died. But, I had no idea whenever it did die. But I got a lot of it done. That's what it looks like so far. And it was a pain in the butt. And I did cut myself. So, you could say that I put my blood, sweat, and almost tears into it. Literally, with the blood and sweat. But I am waiting for the boys, and we will continue the build and hopefully get it done today. Because, yeah. So, I don't know if I'll record the rest of the build. Because yesterday we were on Discord for like 5 hours. And I didn't realize that the camera died. So I might not record. I don't know yet. But anyway. This is the day 2. Day 3, we got the PC all built. The only thing is we don't have this fan working and the back fan working, but we'll figure that out in a little bit. Sometime today. Yep. Now I got to clean up this mess. I got to organize this mess. And all that mess, I gotta organize. So yay! Organization! But yeah, I'll probably never put a PC together again. I'll probably hire it done if I'm doing a custom build. Yep. Hire it done. But yep. Also, I'm not a big fan of the keyboard or the mouse. So, I'll be looking for me a new one of those. Yep. So, it is time to get everything on the desk. Yay.
Close my eyes and drown out sound. It's my only solution. Counting down what seems like hours, not enough. Let's go somewhere. I'm not looking for trouble. Let's go other than here, somewhere.
Pretty much the layout that I'm gonna go for. I just gotta get a longer HDMI cord for this one. So, yeah. I guess y'all will see the finished product whenever I get done. I got a lot of stuff to do. Hello! It's been a while since I picked this thing up. It's now April Fool's Day of 2023, and I started this video in October of 2022. Whoops. But the purpose of this video was that I was building a computer, and I built the computer and it works great. So now it's time for you to see the brand new setup. Also, those are new, and those are new. Also, my comforter isn't on my bed right now because I have a new dog. And I need to wash my comforter because he thinks it's cool to do stuff on it. Puppies. But anyway, let's get this started. I don't think y'all saw it all before, but this is what it looks like now. Yes, I have a bassinet for my dog. Don't judge me. It looks so much better than what I had before. Look at this thing. It's a monster. Also, I got my medicine and stuff right there. But anyway, look at this thing. It's a monster. Let me see if I can open it up for y'all. For just a second. Look at that. It needs to be clean. I mean, dusted, but I don't have a blow duster for it right now. Also, I did cable management. Don't mind that one cable, but the other ones are super organized. It looks so cool. All I need to do is get a new keyboard because I ended up not using that other one because I didn't like how it looked. Like where it says enter, there was like an arrow and stuff. So I didn't like that. I have lights right there that I am planning on putting somewhere around here, and I'm thinking of getting command strips and putting those up there. So it's still a work in progress, but it's almost done, y'all. For now, anyway. But that's a new setup. Ain't that cool? But yeah, that is what I did for this video. And it's been a while, I know that. And everything. Also, I don't think y'all know that I have a new coffee table. And then tables that go with it. This is my old MSI laptop. I'm gonna give to my granddaddy once I get the stuff off of it. Yep. This is looking great. That's a picture that my friend drew for me. And over here, Pinkies, if you're watching this, this is where I have the 3 girls right now. But yeah, that is all the stuff and things. There's all my Sims stuff. Can you tell I'm a gamer? No, we cannot tell that you're a gamer. Okay, so this is a work in progress of my dream setup. Everyone has a dream setup. So, whenever eventually, I hope to have a different room for this and have a third monitor. But until then, I have what I have and I'm happy with it. So yeah, thank you for watching this video. I know it's a messed up video and I'm sorry. I just didn't pick up the camera forever. But at least now I ended the video and y'all can watch me build the PC as much as it decided to record before dying. So with that being said, I'll see y'all in the next video. I have no idea whenever that's gonna be, but I'll see y'all there. Bye!